What is apextrade technology? Apextrade is a Dubai-based marketing company that is the exclusive distributor of the most sophisticated, technologically advanced algorithmic cryptocurrency trading bot that is capable of launching a series of trading positions to counter any, if not all, possible movements of the cryptocurrency market that is unpredictable. apextrade bot is created from 5 years of well-experienced trading executions in the cryptocurrency market. Thus, by sharing apextrade bot with everyone, we can change the lives of millions of people in one click. How does apextrade bot work? It's just simple. Just click start and let the bot works for you. Once you started the bot, it will automatically trade for you 24/7 even without Wi-Fi or data because you have a dedicated server that enables the trading executions automatically for you. The advanced algorithm of apextrade bot has the following features to efficiently trades in Binance futures. Grid trading strategy and hedge mode position settings. The apextrade bot algorithm consists of different trading formulas connected to each other to create a loop. Lot sizes, leverage, exposures, drawdowns, etc. are all pre-computed and pre-configured in order to perform highly efficient auto trading actions. The very first in the world. How to start? Just buy any of our subscription packages and activate your apextrade bot in your mobile app. Connect your bot to your exchanger through API to start trading. Share with your friends and enjoy more rewards and incentives. Come and join us. Together, we can beat all the cryptocurrency and forex scammers all over the world. Sign up now.